recurring task list. Click on Options again and select Task Lists. These allow you to create a checklist to mark off to-dos when hiring a new employee. Tasks can be manually added one by one, or you can create a repeatable list on the screen to streamline your process so that you can easily select this at any time in the future. To start a list, click plus Task List. A drawer opens on the right of the page, which allows you to title your list. This can be based off the department or job title, unless you use the same tasks for all jobs. You can have one general list or as many as needed based on new hire procedures in each department. After you've named the task list, simply click plus task and type in each task needed. Then click the checkbox when complete. Next, you can click the right pointing arrow to close the drawer. To edit a current list, you can select the existing name, and that will open the drawer where you add more tasks. Or click the three dots next to each current task to edit. This can be edited at any time. Otherwise, you can click on the onboarding link to go back to the main page.